Once the components are wired together, they are ready to assemble into the Visioneer frame. These are the power components: a LiPo battery, charger, and a power button. This is the case for the power components. First, place the LiPo battery. Next, the charger with charge port facing up. And last, tuck the wires in of the power button and place it snugly against the side of the case. This is the main component carrier. It slides onto the end of the sunglasses stem. Insert the end of the stem through the slider and all the way up to the front. The power case will connect up with the main component carrier. This is the multiplexer. The multiplexer is necessary to connect several I2C components to the Pi, including the LiDAR. The multiplexer connects to the main component carrier via melted 3D filament. This is the LiDAR carrier. Take the LiDAR and slide it into the carrier. When done correctly, the LiDAR will have a secure fit. Next, take the LiDAR carrier and snap it onto the sunglasses. This is the bone conductor. It connects to the audio amplifier here. This is the bone conductor carrier. A notch indicates where to put the wires. Fit the bone conductor into the carrier. Next, align the bone conductor carrier with the swivel on the main component carrier. A piece of 3D filament will be melted and used in order to connect the swivels. This is the camera, already connected to the camera mount. You can see I'm using a short 40mm ribbon cable. I've also decided to use some solder in order to connect this camera to the camera mount, since the camera mount is made for the Pi camera and I'm using an alternate camera. Align the swivel on the camera mount to the swivel on the main component carrier. Again, a piece of 3D filament will be melted and used to connect the swivels. This completes the Visioneer assembly.